Nike's sneakers app once again leaves sneakerheads in shambles for Travis Scott release. Another day, another L. Friday was another routine day of losses for sneakerheads hoping to pull off sweet, sweet magic with Nike's diabolical sneakers app. And per usual, it didn't deliver for most aspiring buyers. This time around, it was one for the biggest drops of the year. A few sets of Travis Scott Air Trainer 1s and Air Max 1s. Nike dropped 2 pairs of each kick exclusively through its sneakers app, notoriously known for failing customers. The Air Max 1s dropped in Baroque Brown and Saturn Gold for a retail price of $150. The Air Trainers debuted in Gray Haze and Light Chocolate for $160 each. Those prices immediately skyrocketed on the resale market after release, which is an opportunity all sneaker resellers were waiting for. Would you want to start sneaker reselling and you don't know how? You have the best opportunities with our Cook Group. Our website monitors automatically calculate the profit of thousands of sneakers every single day and will post a message in our Cook Group once they find a profitable sneaker. This will save you a lot of time doing research yourself. We created an algorithm that shows exactly how much expected profit each pair of sneakers will make you and how many times per month it will sell. This minimizes the risk of losing your money while investing in the wrong pair of sneakers. Click the link in the description to start your 7-day free trial. Scott is donating a portion of the proceeds from the Air Max drop to his Project Heal initiative, which is dedicated to addressing challenges facing today's youth, particularly those in marginalized and at-risk communities. Project Heal was one of Scott's first public philanthropic moves since the tragic Astroworld concert last November, where 10 people died due to injuries sustained during his concert set. The rapper's deal with Nike is one of the most polarizing in the sneaker world. Add that to Nike's classic Air Max shoe and Air Trainer, which is making a bit of a comeback. It makes the release a match made in heaven. This is the second time Scott released these pairs this week. He held a raffle for the kicks throughout the week starting on May 20th. As expected, that gained several losses too. TMZ reported that Scott's 30-minute raffle window for the Air Trainer 1 had over 1 million entries. That's not normal. This is on par with any typical Travis Scott release. And like always, big releases attract big reactions on social media. Here were some of the reactions to the LS people caught heading into the holiday weekend.